Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cross-sell products easily on your store. Now firstly, what is cross-selling and why should you even do it, right? So in a nutshell, cross-selling is a marketing method in which you sell related products to existing customers in order to increase order value, right? So here's a typical product page. This is the main product right here, and we are trying to cross-sell these three items below. Now notice that they are all related: sports bag, sports shoes, sports socks, quick tie laces, right? Now why is this important? Well, we are trying to give customers the illusion that this is a convenience to them, right? So they don't have to spend too much time thinking. When they come in, they say this and say, hey, I might as well get a pair of socks since I'm here. Hey, these shoes look nice. How about this? And maybe this also, right? So let's go through the buying process. All right, so let's go add to cart. Go to cart. Items are mentioned here also, so he can click this and add this to cart if he wants to, but if he doesn't, it's fine because it's mentioned in one more place. All right, I'll show you in a bit. Okay, so he goes to checkout. Okay, continue shopping. Right, I'm using this payment method so the process will be quicker. As soon as I click this, the purchase will be completed, right? Okay, so the order has been completed, but this is the final payment page, the thank you page, right? And this is the last page where we're still making an attempt to get this customer to buy more from us, all right? But this time, there's a catch. It's on a limited time, and we are offering, just to sweeten the offer, we're offering it at a discount. So the customer can choose, maybe he can choose all, or he can choose one or two, right? And then if he's okay, he can remove from the cart. He can still remove, no problem. He can get it now. He can choose to get it now. Pump, and it's done, right? So I'm going to show you where to set it up so that you can cross-sell on the final payment page, all right? So you want to go to settings, you want to go to features, look for cross-sell, Control F, cross-sell. Right, here it is, right? Turned it on, of course. If you want to cross-sell, you got to turn this feature on. Choose manual, so you can manually select the products you want to cross-sell. And also here, choose to turn cross-sell on final payment page. I've already set it up to show a maximum of 3 items. The offer should be only valid for 15 minutes because you want to create that urgency like in flash sales, you know. And also giving a discount, a limited time discount of 10% if the person purchases, all right, makes the purchase then, right? So once you set it up, if you choose to, save settings and publish the changes. Now let's go to setting, or rather selecting cross-sell products per se. Okay, you can click products and go to manage products, or you can click this link right here at the top. Okay, you go directly to manage products, then choose the product which you like to add cross-sell items to. Okay, so in this case, I want to add cross-sell items to this shoe here. So click this link, cross-sell items link, right? It's plus followed by cross-sell items. Read the instructions. It says check the boxes to the left to add cross-sell items. So I'm going to do the obvious, all right? Sports bag, quick tie laces, and socks. Okay, click the add this button. Wait a couple seconds for it to process, right? And that's that. So you can remove these items at any time. Okay, let's say you close this, okay, and then you come back later on, you want to remove, can just click the same link and you remove. Okay, right? So now what's left is to publish the changes, so it will appear on your live store. So I'm going to shoes. I think shoes got one item here, and it should appear at the bottom. Then voila. So please give it a try, and I'll see you all in the next video.